Okay, I started playing around with the ultrasonic transceiver, this 2-cone unit. In case you're wondering, that is an HC-SR04 unit. Unfortunately, this camera won't zoom in too close, but I don't know, maybe you can read it. So I had a little play around and I came across this little device in my drawer of stuff, and it is a ZS or ZS-042 real-time clock. And I did some reading about it, and there was some concern over it charging the battery. So I actually physically removed the resistor to stop it even trying to charge the battery, because you really shouldn't be charging a standard button cell. So anyhow, I have now modified the code on the Uno so that when the unit is idle, it displays the date, the time and date, day, and of course it's in European format, so it's the 5th of the 4th, not the 4th of the 5th, and it's 2100. Not too late yet. But the good thing about it is both of these devices use what's called the I2C interface, both the display and the real-time clock. Now, with all these clone devices from China, half the time I2C devices don't play well with each other. They don't follow the legal or required format. In other words, when they're not being addressed, all lines should just float, so another device on the same pair of lines can take over. These two apparently do. The ultrasonic distance indicator is not an I2C, but it's just using 2 signal lines to drive the echo and return, and of course then it's got 2 power lines. I've kept the distance thingy in it, so if I change hands, you can see, whoops, if I press the button, it measures the distance, and that's not right. Let me move it over. That's better. Measures the distance from the ultrasonic transmitter receivers to whatever it comes across first. And I would imagine that's a high spot on my keyboard, probably the space bar. So these things are only good for, well, best really is 200 centimeters, but I don't think they're accurate at 200 either. So probably 150. So they make good for automotive backup beepers when you're getting too close. So that's what I might play with next. But it worked fine, and just another interesting bit of stuff. Okay.